Hello everyone, I am Paramesh. I am studying first year Computer Science Engineering in Srinivas Institute of Technology. The topic is automatic window opener. An automatic window opener is a device that can automatically open or close a window based on a set of conditions such as temperature, humidity, or a specific time of a day. This device can be controlled by a thermostat, a remote control, or even a smartphone app. Some automatic window openers use motors to open and close the window, while others use a system of pulley and cords. This is a picture of opening a automatic window by using a smartphone. Advantages of automatic window opener. Improved ventilation. Automatic window openers can be set to open and close windows at specific time of the day or in response to change in temperature or humidity, which can help improve indoor air quality and reduce the risk of mold growth. Temperature control. Automatic window temperature control can be used to open windows during cool time of the day and close them during hot times, which can help reduce the need of air conditioning and save energy. So finally, an automatic window opener is a device that can open and close windows automatically, and it can be used in various settings such as greenhouse, grow homes, residential and commercial buildings. It can be controlled remotely or through a pre-programmed schedule, helping to regulate temperature and ventilation. It can also provide convenience and energy efficiency. Thank you.